Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Take It Simple YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your form in ClickUp app on your PC, so make sure you follow my step to the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the ClickUp app and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or home page of these ClickUp apps on the screen. So now you can see there is a space option at the left side of this home page, and you can see there is a plus icon as well. So you need to click on this plus icon, and now you can see there is a lots of options in here. So you need to choose this form. So make sure you have already a premium plan of this home page. So if you haven't done, then simply click on this upgrade, and you'll be able to buy a premium plan from here successfully. And so let's get back to the topic. And once you tap on this plus icon, so let me click on this form, and you can see it is asking us to buy a premium plan. So once you buy a premium plan, you'll be able to create your form in ClickUp app successfully. So basically this is how you can create your form in ClickUp app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that we can stay up to date with our content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.